they have different criterions that they have to meet, and this is one of the stepping stones. What it does is it tests their water capability. If they're uncomfortable here and we can't get them past this step, then in third phase when they do full competency, okay, with the diving rig on, they're going to panic there also. So we're just trying to get them comfortable in the water. Some of these kids have never even done anything more than been in a wading pool maybe or whatever. You never know when you're going to be involved in something where you're going to have an adverse condition like this. You know, who knows? You know, you may be tied up somewhere and be able to get free and get away by doing this.
The practice of bobbing is part of a series of BUDS drown-proofing exercises. BUDS is the 6-month, 4-phase program that these men must complete to achieve the elite status of full SEAL membership. Their arms and legs tied, SEAL trainees will practice dive after dive in this manner, simulating worst-case scenarios of capture and escape. Bobbing is sometimes painful, but it will be nothing compared to what these trainees will endure at the climax of the first phase of BUDS training, known as Hell Week. The second and third phases of BUDS involves more swimming, diving, and land combat tactics, while the pre-phase and first phase determine eligibility for the harder training to follow. First phase is just beginning, and some trainees are struggling through bobbing. The cords that bind their feet and hands cut through the flesh without mercy. But if a trainee doesn't like this part of the course, a comparatively gentle phase of BUDS training, then his chance for finishing the rest of the program is virtually non-existent. Trainees for the SEAL program come from all branches of the military. The same standards apply to both officers and grunts. In the end, all volunteers who finish this punishing trial-by-fire training course will be considered equal. For SEAL membership recognizes one fact above all. To have passed the monumental ordeals leading up to becoming a SEAL means that you are the most motivated, disciplined, toughest fighter around. And for the enemy, you are his worst nightmare come to life. It was during the Korean War that the underwater